Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I'm going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings. And you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I am going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless noise-canceling headphones Bluetooth headset. For crystal clear calls with adaptive noise cancellation. Over-ear headphones. 60-hour battery life folding design. Black earns its place by doing something specific, very well. That something starts with brand. Visit the Sennheiser store. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is, about this item, seamless firmware and app updates. Enjoy a smoother, more reliable experience with the latest firmware and Smart Control Plus app features for your Bluetooth headphones over the ear, including ANC toggle and touchpad off switch for premium music quality audiophile-inspired sound. Sennheiser wireless headphones over ear, with signature sound, 42mm transducers and aptX adaptive, deliver crystal clear audio and deep, immersive music. Ideal for music lovers and travelers. Personalized listening experience. Tailor your sound on the over-ear headphones wireless via the Smart Control Plus app, with integrated equalizer, presets, and sound modes for a unique custom audio profile, whether used for music, podcasts, or gaming. Adaptive noise cancellation and transparency mode. Block distractions, or stay aware of your surroundings with these headphones wireless Bluetooth. For uninterrupted music enjoyment anywhere, ideal for commuters, students, and professionals. Exceptional comfort and long battery life. These Sennheiser headphones wireless noise-canceling version are lightweight, foldable designed with a cushioned headband and ear pads. Enjoy up to 60 hours of long-lasting comfort playback with fast-charging crystal-clear calls. These noise-canceling headphones have 4 digital beam-forming microphones that ensure crystal-clear voice pickup, wind noise suppression, and easy voice assistant access. Complete premium package includes Momentum 4 wireless Bluetooth headphones, noise-canceling over-the-ear headphones, carry case, USB-C charging cable, 3.5mm to 2.5mm audio cable, and airplane adapter. See more product details. Not in a test environment, in the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is product information item details, brand name Sennheiser, model number 509266, model name Momentum 4 built-in media charging case ear gels, charging cable, user manual age range description, adult number of items 1. Is autographed no series number 4, UPC 81009, 1274309, 81009, 1270431. Global Trade Identification Number 008-100-912-74309, 042-74309, ECC 07533, 0435, Manufacturer Sennheiser, External Testing Certification, now applicable. Warranty description, 1 year. Manufacturer best sellers rank, 682 in electronics, see top 100 in electronics, 35 in over-ear headphones, ASIN B0B, 6GW, 1SX, customer reviews, 414, 1 out of 5 stars, 9,828, 4.1 out of 5 stars. Design headphones ear, placement over ear, headphone folding features over ear piece, shape over ear, controls control, type, voice control method, voice controller type. If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who are already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There is one limitation I want you to know before you decide: a price that reflects real value. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago, and it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.